Hello, Showtimers! Today we are unboxing Lightning Boost Pack! Yay! Here we go! We can open it. Dun, 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 dun. Here's the car. This right now. Here's orange tracks. Here's a lightning kicker. Here's the lightning curves. Two of them. Two lightning kickers, but different way. Three spinners. 1, 2, 3, and they spin like this. Look at all the pieces. Let's build. We don't need these two for now, so we're going to put it over here. First, you put the track here, and then the launcher. And then the track again. And the spinny thing. And then these two yellow curves. play in 3, 2, 1, go! First, 2 laps. Next in 3, 2, 1, go! This time, 0 laps. Next in 3, 2, 1, go! This time, 1 lap. Our best record is 2 so far. Next in 3, 2, 1, go! 3 laps. Next in 3, 2, 1, go! 0 laps again. Best record is 3. Next in 3, 2, 1, go! This time, 3 laps. 2 laps. Next in 3, 2, 1, go! 1 lap. Best record is still 3. Next in 3, 2, 1, go! 1 lap. Still our best record is 3. Next in 3, 2, 1, go! Got 2 laps, so our best record is 3. Now I'm gonna try and get more than 3 laps. So 3, 2, 1, go! Three laps. Next in 3, 2, 1, go! Next in 3, 2, 1, go! Bye bye, Showtime!